Renaming a layer. GIMP allows you to rename a layer. To do so, follow these steps. Select and double-click on the name of the layer. Type the new name for the layer. Press Enter key. Saving images with layers. To save an image with layers, follow these steps. Click on the File menu. Click on the Save As option. The Save As dialog box appears. Give a name in the name box. Click on the Save button. The file will be saved with a .xcf extension. Hiding and showing layers. To hide or show layers, click on the eye option in the required layer from the Layers dialog. The layer will be hidden. If you do it again, the layer will become visible again. Working with layers. While creating a digital image, artists often work on individual parts of an image separately. These parts are separated in the form of layers. Layers are like transparent papers stacked on top of one another, which can be repositioned and separately drawn on without disturbing each other. Let us take a simple example to understand how layers work. To create a simple night sky, an artist will first paint the canvas black. This is layer 1. Then in the second layer, he will add the moon and the stars. Finally, in the last layer, he will add the rest of the details, like the buildings. In GIMP, you can accomplish the same by using the Layers dialog box. Using layers has a huge benefit. It allows flexibility and superior control over the image that is being created. Adding a layer. When you open a new canvas in GIMP, one layer will always be added by default. This is the background layer. Let us learn how to add a layer in GIMP. Click on the Layer menu. A drop-down menu appears. Click on the New Layer option. A dialog box appears. Type a name for your layer. You can change the settings in the dialog box to make different changes to the new layer. Click on OK button to add the layer. Changing stacking order. It refers to the order in which the layers are arranged on top of one another. Layers that are higher in the stacking order receive precedence over layers that are located lower in the stacking order. For example, there are 4 layers in this image. If you click and drag the background layer above the flower layer, the image will appear washed out. This happens because the background layers is visible above the flower layer. Similarly, there is no text visible. If you drag the text layer on top, the text will also be visible. Changing the opacity of layers. Look at the following image. As you can see, there are 3 layers. Background layer is on the top and appears to be transparent. If we increase the opacity of the layer, the flowers will be completely invisible. To increase the opacity of this layer, bring the mouse pointer over the opacity slider, click and drag the mouse to the left or right to increase or decrease the opacity of the layer. Here is an example. Filters. Filters are preset effects that can be applied to an image to make it more appealing. For example, in these images you can see a variety of filters that change the appearance of the original image. GIMP also provides filters that can be used to make an image better. GIMP provides 14 categories of filters which are: blur. This filter makes the image or part of the image look hazy and unclear. Enhance. It compensates for the imperfections in the image such as dust particles, noise, etc. Distorts. This filter is used to warp the image or part of an image. Light and shadow. It is used to change the lighting conditions of the image. Noise. It is used to add random variation of color and brightness. Edge detect. It defines the borders between the different parts of the image. It is useful for selection purposes. Generic. This is a collection of commonly used filters which cannot be placed in the other categories. Combine. This filter combines two or more images in one. Artistic. It creates artistic effects on the image. Decor. This filter creates decorative borders and adds special effects to the image. Map. It is used to alter an image in relation to an image map. Render. This filter is used to create textures and patterns. Web. This filter is used to make the image ready for web applications. Animations. Add animated effects to the image and helps to view and optimize animations. How to apply filter? To apply filter, follow these steps. Open the file. Click on the filter menu. Click on any of the filter category. For example, distorts. Click on any of the subcategory. For example, emboss. The emboss dialog box appears. Change the values to achieve the desired effect or you can let it remain the same. Click on OK button.